Some updates coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where Army has now taken over the grid stations to regulate power supply in some areas of Jammu and Kashmir. Why? Because there has been a major power breakdown amid extreme cold wave that has pushed large parts of Jammu and Kashmir to the brink, as thousands of employees of the power department, the power development department over there, have gone on an indefinite strike. 20,000 employees protesting against the government. The entire move of the government to merge J&K PDD to the Power Grid Corporation of India and eventually handing over the assets to private companies is what has got these employees extremely angry. It led to power outages across the state, and these pictures now coming in of the army now finally taking over.
As temperatures in Kashmir plunged, Srinagar recorded -6 degrees. No electricity in most parts of 20 districts since yesterday. 20,000 power department employees are on indefinite strike in J&K. They are protesting against the government decision to merge J&K PDD with the power grid and hand over assets to private companies. Since Friday midnight, employees have stopped working.
It is a systematic transfer of assets which will take place, which we are opposing. It is the fight of the people that we are fighting. It is not any demand of 1 rupee also that we are asking for.
कल हमको भी बोलेंगे कि आप है ही नहीं कुछ. हमने इस तरह आज डेलीवेजन से लेकर चीफ इंजीनियर तक सारे मुलाजिमीन बिजली आज ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
At this wooden joinery mill, workers say they are without work for last 2 days after power supply was stopped. Meanwhile, residents are protesting for the blackout.
ड्यूटी प्रशासन होश में आओ. हम मानते हैं बिजली को प्राइवेट किया जा रहा है, मगर महकमे को नजरअंदाज करके डिपार्टमेंट अगर या ड्यूटी प्रशासन अगर अपनी मनमानी करेगा तो इसका जो भी रिजल्ट है वो ठीक नहीं होगा.
2 दिनों से तो बिल्कुल बिजली है ही नहीं. जब से एम्प्लॉय ने स्ट्राइक किया, गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि इनकी तरफ ध्यान दे दे और हमारा भी काम चले.
The government says they have initiated talks with striking employees, but instead of Power Secretary, it is the Divisional Commissioner Jammu that invited power employees for talks. So far, no headway seems to have been made. Blackout in most parts of Jammu and Kashmir due to strike by 20,000 power department employees amid fears of losing power department assets to private companies. And it is the common man who is impacted most in these extreme cold conditions in Kashmir. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, for NDTV.